Welcome back to my channel. But if this is your first time of being here, I remain Ajobs. As a shoemaker or any skilled worker at all, we are prone to hazards in our workshop, and that is why in this video I plan to highlight some things we can do in order for us to avoid being injured while working. You will enjoy every bit of this video, but before we move on, kindly click on the subscribe button below and the bell button so that you will be notified anytime I uploaded new videos. So let's dive right in. Did you enjoy this video? Please drop your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you think that there are some things that can also be added to it, like other safety measures, please also drop your thoughts in the comment section below. I would love to have you here next time. So please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I uploaded new videos. May you succeed. Good health to you.